Rockall, Malin, west or northwest 4 to 6, showers perhaps thundery, good occasionally moderate. Hebrides, northwest becoming cyclonic later 4 to 6, rain or showers perhaps thundery, good occasionally poor. Bailey, Fair Isle, north or northwest becoming cyclonic, then north later 4 to 6.
I mean, the week was a coaching week, so I guess the focus was on skills, but it was much more than that. So I really liked all the wildlife. I liked the dynamic of the group. That was really fun. You know, it's nice being with all the people on the trip. The coaching was great, so we did learn a lot more skills. I just really liked the scenery. The scenery was amazing, and we were really lucky with the weather. Really lucky with the weather. So yeah, all in all, it was just a fabulous experience, and I think it's definitely encouraged me to want to carry on kayaking and maybe extend my skill range, and just keep on coming up the west coast of Scotland, maybe explore some other parts of Britain as well.
I think the setup here with the bunkhouse, the amount of people and the facilities is just excellent. Yeah, so there were two clans. One was over on the Isle of Skye, and they basically did that middle-age rape and pillage. So it was a revenge mission, and the other clan came across, they were a Mac something. The other clan came across and they smoked them out, and the ones that stayed in there unfortunately suffocated, and the ones who came out got murdered. So quite a big part of the island's history, and there's a lot of fighting between the islands, and there's a lot of history on these islands, because it's where the Vikings stopped. Like at the graveyard there's various graves of different times and places. And yeah, just the marine life as well, the sea urchins, everything else. Looking down at the kelp forest, we've had some amazing little trails through some rock gardening that we've done.
This is my first experience to come to Scotland, so this is my first contact point with being in a different country, and I absolutely loved coming with a group of people with the same purpose of learning about sea kayaking and us exploring through walking, being on the sea, exploring wildlife. We got to know a few locals as well in the tea shop. They told us about the life of the island. I think what I realized most is how much confidence I gained in the last 5 days. Confidence around being in the sea and connecting to local people. So the most interesting person I've met on this island is a lady called Rosie. She's the eldest inhabitant of this island, and we connected over 2 wooden walking sticks. Yeah, we had a great chat about who lives on the island, why she came here, how she lives, who runs the cafe,